2026 is finally among us, and that means we're going to be focusing on more videos. So we got a couple things coming up this year. For months, I've been talking about dropping a video showing you how to add RGB to your headlights, and I haven't done that yet. I haven't even filmed it. I haven't had time. It's now 2026, and we're going to stick to the promise that I put in the comments of dropping these videos in 2026. So stay with me. We're going to have these videos out soon. We're also going to have a bunch of other videos and a couple fun projects that I'm going to enjoy coming up in the future. Amongst those videos, we're going to talk about making custom LED boards and how to choose your components for them. As you can see, we've had a few iterations. We're going to go in depth on LED drivers and all their differences. Don't mind my dry hands. As well, go in depth on different LED controllers. And the fun doesn't just start there. Let me show you. We're also going to cover how you can make your very own custom products, such as these things, which I'm going to have a limited time run in summer of 2026. So come with me on this 2026 journey and exploring all of these different things and hopefully inspiring you to get out there and create your own custom headlights or custom products all in all. We got a little spoiler. We're not just doing custom headlights this year. We got some other custom car projects that we got going on. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you can follow along with all these fun projects that we have going on. And as always, if you want to work with me on getting a pair of custom headlights, you know where to go, guildcustom.com, or just send me an email, david@guildcustoms.com.